the autumn session.
The Meghalaya government plans to approach the centre with a proposal for a change in the scope of work for an elevated stretch under Package 1 of the Shillong-Dawki Road project. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the road planned beyond Rilbong earlier was not a proper flyover. The government is now exploring an elevated road towards the Anjali petrol pump. He said the Nhidcl officials are also in favour of an elevated road. Some of the projects have run into problems such as land acquisition, forest clearance and issues of utility shifting. The projects reviewed during the meeting include the Nongstoin-Wakaji Road, Ranikor, Nongkhalam, Mahesh Khola Bagmara Road and the Western Bypass.
Through all the projects, and we have asked each contractor to give a deadline on the different works. We have asked them about the problems that they're facing, and based on that we have asked the officials to resolve those issues. And now we'll be continuously monitoring this because this is a working season, so we would not want to lose this time. And therefore, as I said, all the important projects that are being implemented by Nhidcl, we have gone through each one of them. So there are different problems being faced by different projects. Some areas it's land acquisition, some areas it's forest clearance. So depending on project to project, and even in land acquisition there are different issues. But as I said, we took up each one in the minute details, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to resolve all the issues.